Hi guys! So I wanted to go over this week's assignment. What you'll be doing is printing out your croquis. Now for you guys that handed them in, thank you. And for those of you who had to do a few little corrections, I sent you corrections in red with instructions. Just work on those and then print them out like I did here, right? We're just going to do quick hand sketches, right? They're not perfect. They don't have to be final. What I'm looking for here is the cohesiveness of your collection. Remember, you're supposed to have 5 complete looks. This class pairs along with your 104. If you're not in 104 yet, then you're going to design a collection that maybe you will be doing in 104. It could totally be tweaked later on. It's okay. For those of you who took 104, let's do the collection that you had in the past so your portfolio works along with all of the pieces that you already made. Okay, so I'm not looking for you guys to draw these in yet. What I would like is just your hand sketches. You could bring them in and put them on 5 boards, right? I didn't do all 5, but put them 1 on each board, and you could just leave it like this. I'm going to look at them. I'll make little tweaks if we need to, and then I'll hand them back for you guys to draw them in. We're just doing black and white. We're not adding texture. We're not rendering any fabrics. It's just your black and white, because we're going to bring all of that in later when we work on faces and textures and patterns and all of that. So what would be great for you guys to use are the boards that I gave out. If you need one, come the tracing boards. If you need one, come to A217 to come get one. I have them for you. So if you're really super confident with your sketches and don't think you need me to look them over, go for the outline tracing. I'm totally okay with that. But for those of you who don't, I'll go in, I'll make little notes and corrections, and then we could go on for there. So this week, right, we're doing our hand sketching, we're printing our croquis, and we're drawing on top of them. We're bringing them into PS or Adobe. I don't mind if you do it in Adobe, Illustrator, or Photoshop. It's totally up to you what you feel more comfortable with. I will be sketching mine in Illustrator. All right, if there's any questions, please ask on the discussion board or email me. All right, have a great week.